Today we are going to learn multiplication. Today we are going to start our new chapter, multiplication. We already learned two chapters, first and second. What is our two chapters? Addition and subtraction of large numbers and large numbers, right? Our first chapter is large numbers. Second chapter is addition and multiplication of addition and subtraction of large numbers. Okay, we completed that addition subtraction. Hope you all understood that and you completed the worksheets as well. That's very good. You are doing. And today we are going to learn multiplication. Before starting our multiplication 3-digit with 2-digit, let's learn basics of multiplication. See, multiplication is a repeated addition. What is the meaning of multiplication? Multiplication. Remember this. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay. Multiplication क्या है बेटा? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Remember this is a point. Multiplication is a repeated addition. We will see the definition. Multiplication is the process of adding a number to itself a certain number of times. Okay. Or multiplication is the act or process of multiplying number to find the product. Okay, see, multiplication is a repeated addition. I said, right? Multiplication is a repeated addition, right? I'll show you how it is a repeated addition. Suppose I'm adding 2 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is the answer, children? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. Now, what I'm doing, I'm saying your multiplication is a repeated addition. I'm taking 2. Here, which number is repeating? 2. I'm writing 2. I'm using multiplication sign into or x will say. Into, usually will say into. 2, I'm taking 2. Here, which number is repeating? 2. I'm taking 2 and I'm taking multiplication sign. Which now 2 is repeating how many times here? 3 times, right? 1, 2, 3. So, I'm writing 3 here. What is the answer, children? 2 3 is 6. So, you are getting the same answer? Yes. So, that's why multiplication is the repeated addition. जो नंबर को आप बार बार repeatedly add करते हैं उसको आप डायरेक्ट भी मल्टीप्लाई करते. See here, if I'm writing 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 8 times, suppose I'm doing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I'm writing this so much long and I'm writing the answer. 2 plus 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Apart from this, addition is also very good. It is the first basic operation on our fundamental of mathematics. Apart from this, if I am writing 2 here, I am writing which number is repeating here? 2, right? So, I am writing 2. 2 is repeating how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, right? I am using multiplication symbol. I am writing 8. 2 8s are what? 16, right? So, here multiplication is the repeated addition. In place of writing long lines, we are writing a simplified short format. Understood? Now, we will see what are the terms in multiplication. What are the terms? In addition, we have seen the numbers which we are going to add are called addends. Result of addition we call sum. In subtraction, we have seen that suppose 5 minus 2 is 3, right? So, what do you call the second number which you are going to subtract? Subtrahend. Minuend is the first number which is a bigger number and result of subtraction is difference, right? Similarly, in multiplication also we are having 3 terms. The number which we are going to multiply are called multiplicand. Okay, the number which we are going to multiply are called multiplicand. From which we are going to multiply is called multiplier. Understood? जो नंबर को आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं वो नंबर को आप क्या बोलेंगे? मल्टीप्लिकेंट. फ्रॉम विच यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग दैट नंबर, दैट इज द फर्स्ट नंबर, वी कॉल इट एज मल्टीप्लायर. रिजल्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, व्हाट डू यू से? प्रोडक्ट. Result of multiplication, product. I have given you questions. Find the sum, find the difference means find the sum means you did addition there. Find the difference means you did subtraction there. Similarly here also, if I'll give you find the product of the following numbers. Product we don't know. Don't get confused. Product means multiplication only. In multiplication we are having 3 terms: multiplier, multiplicand, product. The number which you are going to multiply is called multiplicand. The multiplicand is a number being multiplied. Okay. The number being multiplied. The number being multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which multiplicand is multiplied is called multiplier. The number being multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which multiplicand is multiplied is called multiplier. The answer of product is the answer of multiplication is called product. Hope you all understood. We are having three terms: multiplicand, multiplier, and product. Result of multiplication is product. Understood? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay. Next, we'll start solving one problem. We'll take today we are going to learn multiply 3-digit with multiplication of 3-digit with a 2-digit number. Okay. We'll take one digit. One example. Example 1. Multiply. Let's multiply 152 by 23. Okay. See children, before starting this chapter or before starting your worksheet, before start doing your worksheet, kindly I am requesting you all to learn tables till 12. Till 12 or 15. If you are learning 15, that is excellent. If you are learning 12, that's good. That's good. Okay. So try to learn tables till 12 or 15. By heart it. Learn perfectly. Learn in a reverse order. Learn in a sequence. Whatever you want. Learn it by playing with your sisters, cousin, brothers and all. Try to learn tables perfectly. Until and unless if you are not learning tables, you will not able to do the multiplication problems. Okay. Let's start. First put the place values. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. Ones, tens, 100. We are having only 3 place values. Ones, tens, 100. So that's why I am putting ones, tens, 100. What is our first multiplier? 152. Multiplicand is the second number which we are going to multiply, which we are being multiplied, right? So 23. I am writing. Don't write like this because 23 is a 2-digit number. That's why we are writing in tens and ones place. Okay. Multiplication sign. Let's start doing the multiplication. In addition, you have started from ones position. In subtraction also you have started from ones position. In multiplication also you have to start from ones position. Keep in your mind. What is our first digit here? 3, right? So multiply 3 with 2. Next multiply 3 with 5. Next multiply 3 with 1. Okay. Sorry. 3 2s are. Okay. Multiply like this. 3 2s are 6. Write it. Next 3 5s are. We have completed 3 2s are, right? Next 3 5s are. 3 5s are 15. See, like this we are getting 3 5s are 15. How many digit number we are getting? 2 digit 15. So we will write 5 at here and we will send 1 carry here. Okay. 3 1s are 3. Add this carry. Don't multiply it. 3 1s are 3 we got, right? Here having 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4. Add it. Don't multiply it again. 3 1s are 3. It's wrong. When you are multiplying this number, this multiplicand with multiplier, after multiplying, add the carry. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Till here, you know, I think. Next, what we have to do for 2-digit number, whenever you have completed, after completing 1-digit multiplication, here you can leave one space by putting X or by putting 0, your wish. Okay. I am keeping X here. Okay, I am leaving one place. Why? Means we have completed our 1-digit multiplication. Okay, children. Next, we will move to second digit. We have completed 1 digit. That's why I am placing X. I am leaving one space. Okay. Next, we will start with 2. 2 2s. And if you want to strike the carry, you can put a cross mark here because we have completed our first digit multiplication. 2 2s are 4. Okay. We have completed 2 2s. Next move to 2 5s are 10. 0, send carry here above the first one. Don't write here because it will get mixed. 2 5s are 10. 0 carry 1. 2 1s are. We have completed 2 5s. Next move to 2 1s are. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. In multiplication, we have to do, after multiplying, we have to do addition. In division, after dividing, we have to do subtraction there. Okay, remember this. Multiplication, we have to do addition. In division, we have to do subtraction. Remember this. Okay. So here we are doing addition. Next, we will start 6. X means no value, nothing, right? 6 as it is. 5, keep 5 in your mind, 4 on your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 I am writing. 4 plus 0, 4 only, good. 3 as it is. So what is our answer? Therefore, 152 multiplied by 23 equals to 3496 is our answer. What do you call this answer? Product. What do you call the answer? 3496 is our product. Let's take some other example. Same, put the place values first. Ones, tens, 100. Okay, ones, tens, 100. After putting place values, try to leave some space for carrying. Okay, 269, next 45. Start multiplying. Okay, 5 nines are. We have to start from ones position. 5 nines are 45. 5 I am writing here. 4 I am sending carry. Okay, 5 6 are 30. Right, first we have to multiply 5 with 9, next 5 with 6. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 4, 3 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 11. 10 plus 3, 11, 12, 13. Directly I am writing 13. Why? Because we are not having any more digits. Next we have to leave one space. You can place x or you can place 0. Your wish. Okay. Because why we are leaving one space means we have completed our first one digit multiplication. Next we are moving to tens position, tens value. 4 nines are, don't do 4 twos, it's wrong. 4 nines are 36, 6, 3 carry. If you want, after writing this, see here. 5 nines are 45, we have completed, right? Next, we have completed 1 digit multiplication, first one. That's why we are placing 0 or we can place here x, your wish. Afterwards, if you want, strike the carry. Strike, don't strike like this. Like simply you can put one cross line. That's why we are putting a cross line means we have completed our first digit multiplication. This carries belongs to first digit. Next we will move to second digit. What is our second digit? 4. Multiply 4 nines are 36, 6, 3 carry right above it. Okay. 4 6 are 36, 4 6 are 24, right? 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3, 25, 26, 27. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. Adding 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 6, keep 4 in your mind, 6 on your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, carry 1. 1 plus, I will tell you one more thing here. Whenever you are doing addition, don't send this carry over there. Because these all carries, all numbers belongs to multiplication. ये जो भी carries रहेंगे सिर्फ multiplication के रहेंगे या addition के जो भी carry आप रखेंगे, you have to send carry in additions block only. This is additions block, this is multiplication block. Okay, don't send carry there. Send carry in addition itself here only. 4 plus 6, 10, 0. I am writing 1 here. Okay, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7. Open your 7 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 1. Don't send 1 here. It's wrong. Write it here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2 itself. 1. We are not having any number. It's 1. So what is our answer? 12,105. Okay. I'll tell you one more number. I'll show you one more multiplication. First of all, we have to put the place values. Good. Ones, tens, 100, ones, tens. Ones, tens, 100. Right numbers, multiplier, multiplicand. Okay. Here, we are starting 0, zeros are. Remember, if you are multiplying 0 with 1000 or 10,000, whatever it may be, you will get 0 itself because 0 is not having any value. So remember, whenever you are multiplying 0 with 9, 0 with 10, 0 with 7, 0 with 6, you will get the answer 0 itself. Okay. Don't write 0 9s are 0, 0 zeros are 0 6 are 0. Don't write 0 9s are 9. Write it 0 9s are 0 only. 0 zeros are 0. 0 9s are 0. 0 6 are 0. I am leaving one space. I am putting x. Y. I have completed one digit 0 multiplication. Next I am moving with 9. 9 zeros are 0. 9 9s are 81. 8 carry 1. 9 6 are 54. See, if you are learning tables only, then only you will be able to do the multiplication fast. Or else you'll think it of 9 nines are what? You'll write complete table 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. It's wrong. Children, learn perfectly and do the multiplication. Okay, 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 1, 55. Add 0, 0, 8 plus 0, 0 plus 8. 0 is having any value? No. 0 plus 8 is 8 itself. Good. 5, 5. Okay. So our answer is 55,800. Understood? I have shown you 2-digit multiplication problems. Hope you all understood. What do you call the first number? Multiplier. Second number, multiplicand. Result of multiplication is product. Hope you all understood. I am going to give you worksheet based on this. Try to complete it. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.